Say hi. I love you. Ooh, you cute. Okay. Hey guys, I'm back with another video as promised. I did this cut crease. So if you want to see how I did this look, then keep on watching. So first off, I'm applying this lip balm that I got from Sephora. It's really good. This is my second one. Then I'm going to just fill in my eyebrows. So if you want to, you can clean up your eyebrows with some concealer. This just makes it look sharp and clean, obviously. Or if you mess up, you can correct it with concealer. Now I'm just using this Garnier Soothing Facial Mist. It hydrates my face and it smells like roses. Now I'm just applying some of this L.A Girl Pro Conceal on my eyelids to prep our eyelids for all the eyeshadows. Now using the Anastasia Modern Renaissance, I picked up the shade Buon Fresco, if that's how you say it, and just applying it all over my crease as our transition shade. Now picking up this e.l.f. Matte for Matte 2, I'm just using that 6th shade right there and applying it on top of that on my crease to blend both colors. Going back to Anastasia in the shade Love Letter, applying it on top of everything. Honestly, don't worry if it's all messy. We'll clean everything up later. So just keep blending all 3 colors together. I'm sorry, I had music playing on the background. That's why I'm acting like that. Now to cut the crease, we'll need concealer and the brush that we used to clean up our eyebrows. So I tried to show you guys on camera as much as I could. So basically just cutting it and cleaning it up on however shape you want it to be. So I picked up that first shade from the e.l.f. palette to just set the crease, the concealer, so it doesn't move and get messy. Then I went back to the Anastasia palette to pick up that Vermeer shade. So now I'm applying a moisturizer. Yes. For foundation, I'm using the Makeup Forever HD Stick Foundation. And I'm using a combination of 2. Next, the Maybelline Fit Me foundation. I'm trying to show you guys what shade I'm in, but I'll list it down below. Give it a good shake, apply it on the back of my hand, and just dabbing it all over my face. Using a damp beauty blender, I just blend out everything. Dab, dab, dab. Now using the Born This Way by Too Faced concealer. This loose setting powder, we'll try to bake a little bit, not too much, because it can make my face look really cakey. Using the Hoola by Benefit bronzer, we'll just bronze up our face and try to contour it a little bit. If you watched my last video, I set my face with the e.l.f. mist and set, and then applying the Wet n Wild highlighter. You should wet the brush too, so it Now for my favorite part, the lipstick. It's matte. It's by Jordana. I got it at CVS, I think. The shade will be listed down below. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and comment what else I should do next. I'm open to any ideas because I don't just want to do makeup videos. I want to do other fun stuff like challenges and all that. I want to do other fun stuff. I think that's it. I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.